Skwheel 1 electric skis. Developed by Parisian startup, skwheel represent a novel approach to personal electric transportation, offering a unique alternative to traditional electric scooters, skateboards, and roller skates. Each ski is equipped with a powerful 600-watt hub motor, providing a combined output of 2,400 watts. This robust motor configuration ensures strong performance, facilitating smooth acceleration and capable handling on various terrains. Featuring pneumatic tires, the Skwheel 1 can traverse a wide range of surfaces, from paved city streets to rough off-road conditions. This versatility enhances its usability across different environments, appealing to urban commuters and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Control of the electric skis is managed via a wireless handheld remote, offering intuitive acceleration, braking, and real-time monitoring of battery life. The remote provides convenience and ease of operation, essential for maintaining control and safety during rides. Lithium-ion batteries power the Skwheel 1 and are designed for quick swapping, ensuring minimal downtime between rides. This feature extends the ski's range and usability, allowing riders to easily replace depleted batteries for continuous enjoyment. The skis feature snowboard-style bindings that provide a secure and comfortable fit for riders, enhancing stability and control during use. This design element promotes rider confidence, especially during high-speed maneuvers and varied terrain conditions. Fat bike skis. Fat bike skis offer an innovative solution for converting your fat bike into a winter riding machine, replacing the front wheel with a single ski to navigate snow-covered terrain. These skis enable riding in various snow conditions, from powder to crust and groomers to slush, making them a flexible choice for winter cycling. They enhance the bike's ability to handle different types of snowy surfaces, expanding the terrain you can explore. Most fat bike skis are designed to fit a broad range of modern fat bikes and mountain bikes, allowing easy integration with your existing bike. This universal compatibility makes them accessible to a wide audience of winter cycling enthusiasts. Installing and removing fat bike skis is relatively straightforward, facilitating quick transitions between traditional fat bike tires and skis. This convenience ensures you can adapt your bike to changing seasonal conditions without hassle. On snow, fat bike skis provide better control, particularly on descents and hard-packed snow. Compared to traditional fat bike tires, this improved performance enhances the riding experience by offering more stability and maneuverability in winter conditions. The One-Wheel GTS series. The One-Wheel GTS series is a high-performance electric skateboard designed specifically for off-road riding, offering a robust set of features that cater to experienced riders seeking adventure beyond the pavement. Equipped with a 113 volts powertrain, the GTS series delivers enhanced speed and hill climbing capabilities, outperforming the standard One-Wheel GT. This power boost ensures a thrilling and responsive ride, capable of tackling challenging terrains with ease. At 2 pounds lighter than its predecessor, the GTS series benefits from custom shaping and redesigned footpads, contributing to improved maneuverability and ease of transport without sacrificing performance. The lowered ride height enhances stability and control, particularly on uneven terrain, allowing riders to maintain confidence and precision during off-road excursions. These custom footpads offer a secure and comfortable feel, featuring a mellow concave and rounded edges that enhance control and reduce fatigue during longer rides. The GTS series includes adaptive front and rear LED lights that automatically adjust based on riding direction. High beam functionality ensures maximum visibility in low-light conditions, enhancing safety. The One-Wheel app provides customizable ride mode settings, enabling riders to tailor the skateboard's performance to their personal preferences, whether prioritizing speed, stability, or battery life. Advanced safety features like pushback, which warns riders when they exceed safe lean angles, and a new haptic feedback system for additional notifications, ensure a safer riding experience. Starting at $2,900, the GTS series is a premium electric skateboard, reflecting its high-performance capabilities and advanced features. Riding a one-wheel requires practice and good balance skills. New riders should be prepared for a learning period to master safe riding techniques. We esteem your time and responsibility, and we expect to bring you truly stunning content later on. In case you found this video drawing in and instructive, generously give it a like. Moreover, make sure you subscribe for extra exciting updates.